we got Matt here. We're going to be giving him your tapered traditional side part. For this haircut, I'm going to be using the original pomade to style him up. Here's how to apply pomade the right way. First, you get a knuckle-full. Next, rub through your palms. Then rake through. Rake through the hair. For this hairstyle, what I'm using today is the original hold, which is the classic medium hold, which is good for fine to medium hair. So for him, he has finer to medium hair, so his best look and best product for him will be the original.
So as someone who doesn't traditionally use pomade, it's difficult to find a good hairstylist that knows how to do hair well. And so when I met Harold and he uses this product consistently with me, it's worked out really well and I like the way it looks. So I've used other gels in the past. Those are traditionally really hard pressed and they feel sticky when you run your hands through them. Whereas every time I've gotten this with Harold, it's been rather like minimal notice when you run hands through hair. You still feel a little, but not nearly as much as like the thicker stuff. Since going to Harold, I prefer this brand now. Because if I mold my hair, it's usually in the evening for events. Normally during the day, I don't put any product in it, but not so much grease, just more like a light, firm hold. I will say I have noticed that in past products he's used, it comes out relatively easy in the shower.
So there's a final look with the classic original hold, your traditional side part, light tapered on sides and back.